Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to check for digits in a string, and then what we're going to do after that, we're going to extract digits from a string and save them to a file. So first of all, I'm going to create my scalar path, and this is going to be the path to my desktop. Users mark desktop. Okay, then we do CHDIR to change the directory to that particular path. Now this is the path to my desktop, is not the path to your desktop, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path, or else if you simply type this code in, it won't work on your system. So I'm going to create a subroutine called check digits. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to print a message to the user so the user knows exactly what to do. I'm going to tell the user to enter a string. And we're going to have to get the input by using standard input from them. So we create a scalar variable called entry. You can call it whatever you want to, but I always call it entry because it's quite a descriptive name. Assign that to standard input. Okay. And now we're going to use a conditional to evaluate things, and we're also going to use the regex as well for matching. So if the scalar entry, if whatever the person entered into the input box is going to match, and we're going to be matching here at the beginning and also for digits and at the end of the string as well. So we're going to be checking for digits at the beginning and at the end of the string, so we'll check the full string there. So we're going to match any digits in that particular string. Okay, if it matches, print string contains only digits, and a new line character. Or else, if we don't get that, we're going to have to use the catch-all, which is else, and we have to tell the user non-digits contained. So print non-digits contained. Okay, so let's just save that and let's run the program. So it's called check digits. Okay, here's the second part of this program. I've already done it for you. Here we've got the path to our desktop. This is where we're going to create a file. So what we're going to do, we're going to extract digits from this string here. So we've got some digits in here, 67, 89, 65. We're going to use the conditional to evaluate it, and we're going to match it using regex to a pattern here which refers to digits. and then we're going to print to the users numbers found. After that, we're going to create a variable and we're going to join these digits, and I'm going to use this as an example. In fact, I'm going to use this as an example so you will be able to see exactly how this join works. I'll just save that, and then we're going to match it to any digits that are found. Then we're going to print saving digits. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a file called extract_digits.txt, and we add the generic error message or die an error occurred. So if anything happens, we have a problem creating the file, it should throw that error message. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write these digits here into the file, and then after we've finished working with the file, we're going to close the file. And then we're going to print out a message to the user telling the user the files have been saved to this path here. So we've interpolated this, and this up here is the path that we're going to show. So let's just run the program. Okay, so it says here, numbers found, saving digits, files have been saved to user's desktop. So let's have a look if we've created that file on the desktop. Okay, and there we go. It's called extract digits, and we shall open it, and there we can see how the join feature has worked here. So we can join by white spaces or we can join by whatever we want, but that's just an example so you can see exactly how that works. Anyway, that's about the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and remember, before you leave, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.